Good morning, students, and welcome back to this recorded session. Today we have to continue with the language acquisition classes and we have to continue learning about the relative clauses. But in this case, we have to learn about the relative pronouns. What are relative pronouns, kids? Well, when you are saying that, we have to say that those are the words that describe or that help us to describe people or animals or situations, but by using the relative clauses. Okay, don't forget it. And what are them? You say, okay, so we have how, we have who, why, where, what, and when. And you may say, yes, okay, mister, those are the information question words. Yes, but in this case, we don't have to use them as a question, so we have to use them as a sentence or to make sentences. Now we have here what are relative pronouns, and it says that a relative pronoun is used to connect a clause or sentence or phrase to a noun or pronoun. You see them used every day with the most common relative pronouns being who, whom, which, whoever, whomever, whichever, and that. Okay, and we have some example here. Peter is the one who gifted me a car. It is made up of a fabric that is very soft. Okay, so we're gonna take one by one. And the first one that we are going to learn is about who. Who. When do we use who? Well, who is used to refer to people. And then we have the example here. The man who works at the post office is very kind. The man who works at the post office is very kind. Now we have which, and it is used to refer to animals and objects. Or kids, pay attention when you have two or more options. And we have the example here. Do you see the cat which is lying on the roof? Do you see the cat which is lying on the roof? Let's continue. Now we have to learn how to use that. And that it is used to refer to people, animals, and things. For example, the blue jacket that she is putting on belongs to her friend. And then we have where. And it says that it is used to refer to places. For example, London is the city where my friend is living now. Remember, kids, where is for places. For example, the school, a restaurant, a bank, a toy shop, the university, the movie theater, post office. So we have a lot of examples of places, right? So we have to use where for places. When do we use when? Well, the word when it's used to refer to the time. You say at 1 o'clock, or maybe you say the days, right? So you say on Monday, on Tuesday, or dates, okay? So we have an example here. Aquí tenemos un ejemplo. Grandma remembers a time when radio shows were popular. When radio shows were popular. Now, my kids, don't forget it. No nos olvidemos. We have to use who for people, para las personas, which for animal or things, para animales o cosas, that puede reemplazar a who or which, porque podemos utilizarlo para personas, animales o cosas. Where is for the place, por el lugar. Y when is for the time, por el tiempo. Okay, so I hope that you have this information good, and we have to continue. Now we have a video that summarizes everything that we have seen in this class.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So, what are relative pronouns? Relative pronouns are used to provide more information about a person, a thing, or a place. We use who when we talk about people. The boy who is wearing a cap is my brother. The boy who is wearing a cap. We use which when talking about things. I loved the present which you gave me for my birthday. The present which you gave me. We use where when we talk about places. My father forgets things. He never remembers where he puts his keys. He never remembers where he puts his keys. We use that when we talk about people and things. For example, this is the book that I want to read, the book that, or this is the man that I met yesterday, the man that. That's it for now. I hope it was helpful. Good luck everyone. Goodbye.
Okay, with this short video, kids, I have to say goodbye too. Okay, thank you, my dears. I hope that you liked the video and that you liked the class. Thank you. Bye bye.